Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers, where we're here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues. All right. Today we gonna get in to this Carolina Gold sauce. All right. So we gonna knock this out for you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channels with your friends. All right. So we gonna get into this Carolina Gold sauce, man. And I know you wear gold. You wear the purple and gold.
Yeah, I wear the purple and gold and proud of it.
Yeah. Omega man right here. Alright, so we're gonna knock this sauce out for you today. It's gonna be a mustard based sauce. So we have our mustard here. We have some Worcestershire sauce. I can't never say that word. Apple cider vinegar. We have some honey, hot sauce, brown sugar, garlic powder, salt, ketchup, and some cayenne pepper here, all right?
What kind of sauce was that?
Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. You know,
Don't worry about
this
it.
stuff right here.
That's
This right here.
That brown
Yeah, that brown stuff. All right, so we're gonna get into it. All right, man, since you wear the gold, I'm gonna give you the honor of pouring the gold in.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this mustard in here. They call it Carolina Gold, but I think maybe they may need to call it Omega Gold.
Yeah, I think so.
Omega Gold sauce.
Yeah, we could call it that. Let's get it all in here then. All right, we're gonna get all this in here, and the measurements for your sauce will be down below in the description as usual. All right. So we got that mustard in. Next thing we're gonna pour in is this honey. All right. So I'm gonna pour the honey in. We're gonna get this in here. All right. You're just gonna get all of it out. So you want to have like a little spoon or a spatula or something like that.
Have to have some honey for the money.
That's right. You got it, Pop. You got it. All right, next thing I'm going to do is that apple cider vinegar. Dad, can you pour that in for me? Oh, yeah. All right. We're going to do a little Worcestershire sauce next. You still laughing at me, man? We're going to get this hot sauce in here.
There you go.
You can use the hot sauce and the cayenne to your discretion on how spicy you want it to be.
We like ours spicy, okay? So I'm gonna give that a little stir. Now we're gonna start adding in these dry ingredients, okay? So we're gonna add in a pinch. That's a nice little pinch of cayenne. A pinch.
That's our pinch. That's
You
our
can't
pinch.
get.
Yeah, that's my pinch.
That's our pinch. Because we like ours a little spicy.
Well, let's get it all then.
There you go. All right. Next, I'm gonna add this brown sugar in. There you go. Little salt here.
You can use a little this.
Got our salt in. Gonna use a little garlic powder. And last but not least, a little ketchup. Now while I'm putting this in, I'm gonna start stirring. And while we're doing this, I'm just gonna tell you, bro. You know, you've been doing good. You've been doing.
Yeah, I stirred this, man.
You've been doing real good here lately.
All right.
So I got you some special checks. Okay.
Some good checks.
Yeah, I got you a real good check. All right. So while you giving that a little mix, I'm just gonna reach back here and I'm gonna grab you one of these special checks that we got.
See, the checks must be getting right too, cause we got some fancy glasses now.
That's right. So today we're gonna be knocking out some of this Willett, all right?
Okay.
This is Willett Rye bourbon, okay? This is
Absolutely.
real hard to come by. So I'm gonna let you explain to the people
Hey,
about that Willett.
about the Willett. All right. The Willett has an alcohol volume of 55.8, which translates to about 111 proof. All right. So with that being said, that high alcohol, to the nose, you're gonna get a high alcohol content with the spiciness of rye, and that, at the end, you're gonna get some nice toasted toffee and oak flavor.
Okay.
All right. Now, when they distill this in hand-selected white oak barrels for 4 years. All right. And you can see the color is a nice flame bronze, and the taste at the end is gonna be nice. It's not gonna be harsh. It's gonna be a nice finish.
Okay.
All right. You're probably gonna get some hints of to the taste. You're probably gonna get some hints of some stone fruit frolic, some vanilla.
Some what?
Frolic stone fruit. That's what I mean.
What the hell is that?
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, man. I don't know. but it's good when you drink it. So you got vanilla, you got some vanilla and some cherry. It's gonna hit you at the end, all right?
Okay. All right.
So we finna get into
Let's
it
get
and
into
see
it.
what
Is
this.
that them cherries he was talking
The
about?
mosquito cherry.
No, the
The
little.
mosquito.
The mosquito cherry.
Oh man, yeah, that is.
Yeah, that's a good check. You don't
You
even
should
know how
know.
to get into it, do you?
Yeah, I gotta find my glasses. I see the little.
Hey man, don't turn the bottle upside down.
The top ain't open. So we good. All right, so we're gonna get into this Willett.
All right.
You get to hold this pinky out on these with these
Yeah.
glasses.
So while he's pouring those up, I'm just gonna show you what this looks like, okay? So this is what it looks like. I'll probably add a couple of red pepper flakes in, and we'll get it on the stove to let it simmer for about 10 minutes to help bring all of these together.
Would you like a
But
shot
it-
of this check?
Yes, sir.
But it smells delicious already, man. I wish y'all was here. So when you make this, you will see what I'm talking about. That smell coming up, you will smell it. It smells delicious already. All right. Take one and pass it down. All right.
That really made
Smells
you
good.
really get a strong hint of that vanilla.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, yes, it does.
All right. So here's to you guys. All right. Willett, BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. Good stuff.
That is really good.
All right. So we'll see you inside at the stove. All right. At the range to reduce down this sauce. Okay. Oh, it smells delicious, y'all. All right. We'll catch you back in a minute. BBQ Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. All right, we're back. All right. We about to get back into this Carolina barbecue sauce. So we put it on the range.
For about 20 minutes.
We let it simmer. Not a hard boil, okay?
A nice simmer.
A nice simmer. Probably like a medium heat. Stir it occasionally. Let all that stuff marry together, okay? So I'm about to take it. And we did ours a little bit spicier than normal. All right?
Yeah, we still got that kind of gold.
Yeah, it's
what we call
gold.
it. Yeah.
It's gold, buddy.
Yeah.
All right?
But as I said, I think we were supposed to put a pinch of cayenne, but we put a handful.
I put my pinch of cayenne in there. That's my pinch. I do 3 fingers when it say pinch. All right? Some of y'all just do the 1 finger. I do 3 fingers of pinch. All right? So I do a nice little pinch. So we're going to get into this jar. All right? Smelling delicious too.
Yeah, it look
All right?
good, man.
Still got that heat. You still got that heat coming off of it.
of it, yeah.
All right, so we're gonna get in that canning jar now. I'm gonna give me a little taste just off the edge right here. Okay. You wanna get you a little? Oh, that's good right there. Make me wanna go back for it.
Yeah, it's good. It's got you taste that honey and brown sugar in there, but then that cayenne come through with a little kick.
Hi-yow!
Yeah.
On the back end.
On the back end.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So, oh, yeah, this might be, yeah. You can do it your way. We'll do it ours. All right. But this is the Carolina Gold. And I don't know where Pops went, but you know, he rocks that gold, that old gold. Is that what it is? Is it the old gold? I think that's what they got out.
Yeah,
I ain't exactly sure with all that. But Carolina Gold sauce, or if he was standing here, I would say Omega Gold. Alright, so thank you for tuning in to another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers.
Definitely.
Again, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends. And we'll be back to you soon with another episode. Peace.